The Knowledge Library present MCQ revision for CBSE Class 10 History 2024. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for all competitive exam preparations.
The first question is, the famous Italian revolutionary Giuseppe Mazzini was born in A. Turin, B. Rome, C. Genoa, or D. Atlanta. The correct answer is option C. Genoa. The next question is, Giuseppe Mazzini founded a secret underground society named Young Europe in A. Marseilles, B. Berne, C. Vienna, or D. Brussels. The correct answer is option B. Berne. The next question is, who made the famous remark, when France sneezes, the rest of Europe catches a cold? A. Metternich, B. Mazzini, C. Garibaldi, or D. Louis Philippe. The correct answer is option A. Metternich. The next question is, the Bourbon dynasty, which had been deposed during the French Revolution, was restored to power after signing the Treaty of A. Vienna, B. Constantinople, C. Marseilles, or D. Prussia. The correct answer is option A. Vienna. The next question is, artist of the time of the French Revolution personified dash as a female figure? A. Socialism, B. Liberty, C. Autocracy, or D. None of the above. The correct answer is option B. Liberty. The next question is, the idea of la patrie means A. Motherland, B. Fatherland, C. Citizens, or D. Monarchy. The correct answer is option B. Fatherland. The next question is, which of the following resulted in hostility towards the French armies in Europe? A. Forced conscription into the French armies, B. Censorship, C. Uniform laws, or D. Options A and B both. The correct answer is option D. Option A and B both. The next question is, in Galicia, the advocacy spoke the dash language? A. German, B. Italian, C. French, or D. Polish. The correct answer is option D. Polish. The next question is, the first political experiment in liberal democracy took place in A. Germany, B. France, C. Italy, or D. Great Britain. The correct answer is option B. France. The next question is, which of the following is true about liberalism? A. Abolition of state-imposed restrictions, B. Freedom of markets on the movement of goods and capitals, C. Options A and B both, or D. None of the above. The correct answer is option C. Option A and B both. The next question is, a secret society named Young Italy was established in A. Marseilles, B. Berne, C. Zurich, or D. Genoa. The correct answer is option A. Marseilles. The next question is, as per the census of 1921, millions of people died due to A. Epidemic and famines, B. War, C. Riots, or D. None of the above. The correct answer is option A. Epidemic and famines. The next question is, Mahatma Gandhi returned to India in A. January 1916, B. January 1915, C. March 1921, or D. April 1917. The correct answer is option B, January 1915. The next question is, which of the following statement is true about Satyagraha? A. Satyagraha is not a physical force. B. It is the weapon of the weak. C. A Satyagrahi does not inflict pain on the adversary. Or D. Both option A and C. The correct answer is option D, both A and C. The next question is, the infamous Jallianwala Bagh masquerade took place when there was an annual fair in A. Tiyan, B. Gurupurab, C. Lohri, or D. Baishakhi. The correct answer is option D, Baishakhi. The next question is, what was one of the main reasons behind Mahatma Gandhi's decision to take up the Khilafat issue? A. Unity among Hindus and Muslims. B. Unity among Hindus and Christians. C. Unity among Christians and Muslims. Or D. None of the above. The correct answer is option A, unity among Hindus and Muslims. The next question is, who is the author of the book Hind Swaraj 1909? A. Bhagat Singh, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Subhash Chandra Bose, or D. Mahatma Gandhi. The correct answer is option D, Mahatma Gandhi. The next question is, the plantation workers were not permitted to leave the tea gardens without permission as per A. Inland Immigration Act of 1859, B. Inland Immigration Act of 1866, C. Inland Immigration Act of 1879, or D. Inland Immigration Act of 1869. The correct answer is option A. The next question is, Gandhi decided to withdraw from the non-cooperation movement in A. January 1922, B. February 1922, C. February 1919, or D. January 1919. The correct answer is option B, February 19, 2022. The next question is, who formed the Swaraj Party? A. C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru, B. Motilal Nehru and Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Jawaharlal Nehru and C.R. Das, or D. Jawaharlal Nehru and Gandhi. The correct answer is option A, C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru. The next question is, Simon Commission arrived in India in A. 1928, B. 1930, C. 1932, or D. 1942. The correct answer is option A, 1928. The next question is, under the presidency of Jawaharlal Nehru, the Lahore Congress formalized the demand of Purna Swaraj or full independence for India in A. December 1929, B. January 1929, C. December 1930, or D. December 1928. The correct answer is option A, December 1929. The next question is, Mahatma Gandhi started his famous salt march from his ashram in Sabarmati to Dandi, covering a distance of A. 260 miles, B. 240 miles, C. 600 miles, or D. 500 miles. The correct answer is option B, 240 miles. The next question is, Mahatma Gandhi reached Dandi on dash 1930. A. April 6, B. April 16, C. March 6, or D. May 6. The correct answer is option A, April 6. The next question is, Gandhi-Irwin Pact was signed in A. 5 April 1932, B. 5 March 1931, C. 5 May 1931, or D. 5 June 1932. The correct answer is option B, 5 March 1931. The next question is, name the precious metals enhanced Europe's wealth and finance used to trade with Asia. A. Copper, B. Bauxite, C. Iron ore, or D. Silver. The correct answer is option D, silver. The next question is, many expeditions set off in search of El Dorado, the fabled city of A. Silver, B. Emerald, C. Diamonds, or D. Gold? The correct answer is option D. Gold. The next question is, America's original inhabitants had no immunity against disease that came from Europe, in particular proved a deadly killer. A. Chickenpox, B. Measles, C. Smallpox, D. Filaria. The correct answer is option C. Smallpox. The next question is, which country passed the corn laws to restrict the import of corn? A. France, B. Great Britain, C. Spain, or D. USA. The correct answer is option B. Great Britain. The next question is, demand for dash led to the migration of people to America and Australia. A. Capital, B. Raw materials, C. Labor, or D. Both A and B. The correct answer is option C. Labor. The next question is, one of the oldest livestock markets in dash was at Smithfield. A. London, B. Liverpool, C. Manchester, or D. Edinburgh. The correct answer is option A. London. The next question is, in 1885, the big European powers met in dash to complete the carving up of Africa between them. A. Paris, B. London, C. Bernay, or D. Berlin. The correct answer is option D. Berlin. The next question is, the US also became a colonial power in the late 1890s by taking over some colonies earlier held by A. Belgium, B. Portugal, C. Spain, or D. France. The correct answer is option C. Spain. The next question is, in Africa in the 1890s, a fast-spreading disease of dash had a terrifying impact on people's livelihood and the local economy. A. Rinderpest, B. Smallpox, C. Measles, or D. Scurvy. The correct answer is option A. Rinderpest. The next question is, Europeans came to dash hoping to establish plantations and mines, but they faced the problem of labor shortage. A. Africa, B. Asia, C. Middle East, or D. South America. The correct answer is option A. Africa. The next question is, the loss of dash destroyed African livelihoods. A. Cattle, B. Human lives, C. Land, or D. Forest. The correct answer is option A. Cattle. The next question is, the main destinations of Indian indentured migrants were the A. Caribbean islands, B. Fiji, C. Mauritius, or D. all of the above. The correct answer is option D. all of the above. The next question is, most Indian indentured workers came from the present-day regions of A. Bihar, B. Eastern Uttar Pradesh, C. Central India, or D. all of the above. The correct answer is option D. all of the above. The next question is, migrants from dash went to Ceylon and Malaya. A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Orissa, C. Tamil Nadu, or D. Karnataka. The correct answer is option C. Tamil Nadu. The next question is, India's nationalist leader began opposing the system of indentured labor migration as Azube and Creole. It was abolished in A. 1921, B. 1931, C. 1919, or D. 1911. The correct answer is option A. 1921. The next question is, Who was created the Croton Mill? A. Orville Wright, B. Richard Arkwright, C. James Watt, or D. None of the above. The correct answer is option B. Richard Arkwright. The next question is, the production process is associated with the production of A. Cotton, B. Ships, C. Railways, or D. None of the above. The correct answer is option A. Cotton. The next question is, ordinary and small innovations were the basis of growth in many dash sectors such as A. Non-mechanized, B. Mechanized, C. Both A and B, or D. None of the above. The correct answer is option A. Non-mechanized. The next question is, even at the end of the 19th century, dash of the total workforce was employed in technologically advanced industrial sectors. A. Less than 20%, B. More than 80%, C. Less than 70%, or D. More than 50%. The correct answer is option A. Less than 20%. The next question is, James Watt planned the new engine in A. 1791, B. 1581, C. 1681, or D. 1781. The correct answer is option D. 1781. The next question is, dash products came to symbolize refinement and class. A. Machine made, B. Handmade, C. Both A and B, or D. None of the above. The correct answer is option B. Handmade. The next question is, dash on the Coromandel coast had trade links with South Asian ports. A. Calicut, B. Mausolepatnam, C. Mangalore, or D. Paradip. The correct answer is option B. Mausolepatnam. The next question is, dash on the Gujarat coast connected India to the Gulf and the Red Sea ports. A. Okha, B. Porbandar, C. Surat, or D. Kandla. The correct answer is option C. Surat. The next question is, Hooghly and Dash had trade links with the South Asian ports. A. Maharashtra, B. Gujarat, C. Odisha, or D. Bengal. The correct answer is option D. Bengal. The next question is, as Surat and Hooghly ports in India decayed, Dash and Dash ports grew in India. A. Bombay and Kolkata, B. Madras and Bombay, C. Calcutta and Madras, or D. Mausolepatnam and Calcutta. The correct answer is option A. Bombay and Calcutta. The next question is, the earliest kind of print technology was developed in Dash, Japan and Korea, which was a system of hand printing. A. India, B. Britain, C. China, or D. Germany. The correct answer is option C. China. The next question is, as Western powers established their outpost in China, Dash became the hub of the new print culture. A. Shanghai, B. Beijing, C. Guangzhou, or D. Hong Kong. The correct answer is option A. Shanghai. The next question is, Dash from China introduced hand printing technology into Japan around AD 768 to 770. A. Buddhist missionaries, B. Christian missionaries, C. Scholars, or D. Traders. The correct answer is option A. Buddhist missionaries. The next question is, the oldest Dash book printed in AD 1868 is the Buddhist Diamond Sutra containing 6 sheets of text and woodcut illustrations. A. Chinese, B. Indian, C. Japanese, or D. Korean. The correct answer is option C, Japanese. The next question is, China already had the technology of woodblock printing. Marco Polo brought this knowledge back with him to A. Italy, B. Germany, C. Great Britain, or D. France. The correct answer is option A, Italy. The next question is, vellum was parchment made from the dash of animals. A. Bones, B. Skin, C. Legs, or D. None of the above. The correct answer is option B, skin. The next question is, by the early 15th century, woodblocks were being widely used in Europe to A. to print textiles, B. playing cards, C. make religious pictures with simple brief text, or D. all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. The next question is, John Gutenberg developed the first knowing printing press in the 1430s in Strasbourg, located in A. Great Britain, B. Germany, C. USA, or D. France. The correct answer is option B, Germany. The next question is, dash is a metal frame in which types are laid and the text composed. A. compositor, B. gallery, C. platen, or D. none of the above. The correct answer is option B, galley. The next question is, dash are the places where people gather to drink alcohol, be served food, meet friends, and exchange news. A. ballad, B. taverns, C. galley, or D. compositor. The correct answer is option B, taverns. The next question is, in 1517, the religious reformer Martin Luther wrote 95 theses criticizing many of the practices and rituals of the A. Roman Catholic Church, B. Protestants, C. Orthodox Church, or D. none of the above. The correct answer is option A, Roman Catholic Church. The next question is, Protestant Reformation was a 16th century movement to reform the Catholic Church dominated by A. Paris, B. Rome, C. London, or D. Marseilles. The correct answer is option B, Rome. The next question is, dash was a former Roman Catholic code for identifying and punishing heretics. A. heretical, B. seditious, C. Inquisition, or D. satiety. The correct answer is option C, Inquisition. The next question is, dash were the beliefs which do not follow the accepted teachings of the church. A. Inquisition, B. satiety, C. seditious, or D. heretical. The correct answer is option D, heretical. The next question is, dash began to maintain and index of prohibited books from 1558. A. Roman Church, B. Orthodox Church, C. Protestants, or D. monarchs. The correct answer is option A, Roman Church. The next question is, dash a term used to describe pocket-sized books that are sold by traveling peddlers called chapmen. A. chapbook, B. almanac, C. denominations, or D. none of the above. The correct answer is option A, chapbook. The next question is, Vietnam gained formal independence in dash, but it took another 3 decades of fighting before the Republic of Vietnam was formed. A. 1945, B. 1944, C. 1949, or D. 1950. The correct answer is option A, 1945. The next question is, Indochina comprises the modern countries of A. Myanmar, Laos and Cambodia, B. Laos, Thailand and Cambodia. C. Vietnam, Laos and Thailand. Or D. The correct answer is option D, 1945. The next question is, after the Dash War, the French assumed control of Tonkin and Annam, and in 1887 French Indochina was formed. A. Franco-Indonesian, B. Franco-Dutch, C. Franco-Chinese, or D. Franco-British. The correct answer is option C, Franco-Chinese. The next question is, the second line of the rail network was built linking Vietnam to Siam via the Cambodian capital of Phnom Penh. Siam is currently known as A. Thailand, B. Cambodia, C. Laos, or D. China. The correct answer is option A, Thailand. The next question is, the colonial economy in Vietnam was however primarily based on rice cultivation and dash owned by the French and a small Vietnamese elite. A. Coffee plantations, B. Wheat cultivations, C. Rubber plantations, or D. Tea plantations. The correct answer is option C, rubber plantations. The next question is, the French were faced with yet another problem in the sphere of education. The elites in Vietnam were powerfully influenced by the dash culture. A. Japanese, B. Thai, C. Chinese, or D. None of the above. The correct answer is option C, Chinese. The next question is, the Tonkin Free School was started in Dash to provide a Western style education. This education included classes in science, hygiene and French. A. 1907, B. 1910, C. 1905, or D. 1906. The correct answer is option A, 1907. The next question is, Ho Chi Minh forms the Vietnamese Communist Party in A. 1965, B. 1955, C. 1940, or D. 1930. The correct answer is option D, 1930. The next question is, in the Cochin China, the South became a French colony in 1857, B. 1867, C. 1847, or D. 1917. The correct answer is option B, 1867. The next question is, the Paris Peace Treaty was signed in A. 1975, B. 1964, C. 1972, or D. 1974. The correct answer is option D, 1974. The next question is, Vietnam's religious beliefs were a mixture of Buddhism and local practices. A. Christianity, B. Jainism, C. Hinduism, or D. Confucianism. The correct answer is option D, Confucianism. The next question is, in 1880, Dash wrote a novel, De Bangar Mate Agnam, The Gods Visit Earth. A. Rabindranath Tagore, B. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, C. Durgacharan Ray, or D. None of the above. The correct answer is option C, Durgacharan Ray. The next question is, by 1750, 1 out of every Dash people of England and Wales lived in London. A. 9, B. 10, C. 5, or D. 2. The correct answer is option A, 9. The next question is, Dash flows through the city of London. A. River Volga, B. River Danube, C. River Thames, or D. River Severn. The correct answer is option C, River Thames. The next question is, Dash is someone who works for social upliftment and charity, donating time and money for the purpose. A. Inheritor, B. Beneficiary, C. Antagonist, or D. Philanthropist. The correct answer is option D, philanthropist. The next question is, following Howard's idea, Raymond Unwin and Barry Packer designed the garden city of A. New Hampshire, B. New Earswick, C. Leeds, or D. Manchester? The correct answer is option B. New Earswick. The next question is, the very first section of the Underground Railway in the world opened on 10 January 1863 between Paddington and Farrington Street in A. Leeds, B. London, C. Manchester, or D. none of the above? The correct answer is option B. London. The next question is, in dash, the Back Bay Reclamation Company won the right to reclaim the western foreshore from the tip of Malabar Hill to the end of Colaba. A. 1884, B. 1874, C. 1854, or D. 1864? The correct answer is option D. 1864. The next question is, Dash wrote in Dombey and Son about the massive destruction in the process of construction of the London Underground Railway. A. Jane Austen, B. Charles Dickens, C. Mark Twain, or D. William Shakespeare? The correct answer is option B. Charles Dickens. The next question is, Dash is a theory that promotes the liberty, rights, or independent action of the individual rather than of the community. A. Individualism, B. Secularism, C. Feminism, or D. Socialism? The correct answer is option A. Individualism. The next question is, in the 17th century, Bombay was a group of 7 islands under Dash control. In 1661, the control changed hands after a marriage alliance. A. French, B. Portuguese, C. British, or D. Marathas? The correct answer is option B. Portuguese. The next question is, the first cotton textile mill in Bombay was established in A. 1867, B. 1857, C. 1854, or D. 1864? The correct answer is option C. 1854. The next question is, Dash dominated the maritime trade of India till well into the 20th century. It was also at the junction of 2 major railways, A. Madras, B. Surat, C. Calcutta, or D. Bombay? The correct answer is option D. Bombay. The next question is, the City of Bombay Improvement Trust was established in Dash. It focused on clearing poorer homes out of the city centre. A. 1898, B. 1900, C. 1901, or D. 1911? The correct answer is option A. 1898. The next question is, Walter Scott remembered and collected popular Dash ballads which he used in his historical novels about the wars between clans. A. English, B. Irish, C. Welsh, or D. Scottish? The correct answer is option D. Scottish. The next question is, people had easier access to books with the introduction of circulating libraries in A. 1840, B. 1740, C. 1760, or D. 1750? The correct answer is option B. 1740. The next question is, in 1836, a notable event took place when Dash Pickwick Papers was serialized in a magazine. Magazines were attractive since they illustrated and cheap. A. Charles Dickens, B. Richardson's, C. Mark Twain's, or D. none of the above? The correct answer is option A. Charles Dickens. The next question is, serialized is a format in which the story is published in installments, each part in a new issue of a Dash. A. Novel, B. Newspaper, C. Journal, or D. none of the above? The correct answer is option C. Journal. The next question is, Tolstoy was a famous Dash novelist who wrote extensively on rural life and community. A. Russian, B. British, C. Italian, or D. French? The correct answer is option A, Russian. The next question is, Dash wrote about the terrible effects of industrialization on people's lives and characters. His novel Hard Times describes Coketown. A. Mark Twain, B. Charles Dickens, C. Leo Tolstoy, or D. Henry Fielding. The correct answer is option B, Charles Dickens. The next question is, Charles Dickens criticized not just the greed for profits but also the ideas that reduce Dash into simple instruments of production. A. Technology, B. Cities, C. Machines, or D. Human beings. The correct answer is option D, human beings. The next question is, Dickens focused on the terrible conditions of urban life under industrial capitalism. His Dash is the tale of poor orphan who lived in a world of petty criminals and beggars. A. Oliver Twist, B. Hard Times, C. Germinal, or D. Pickwick Papers. The correct answer is option A, Oliver Twist. The next question is, Emily Zola's Dash on the life of a young miner in France explores in harsh detail the grim conditions of miners' life. It ends on a note of despair. A. Pickwick Papers, B. Germinal, C. Hard Times, or D. Tom Jones. The correct answer is option B, Germinal. The next question is, the 19th century British novelist Thomas Hardy, for instance, wrote about the traditional Dash of England that was fast vanishing. A. Aristocratic communities, B. Urban communities, C. Rural communities, or D. Industrial communities. The correct answer is option C, rural communities. The next question is, Mayor of Chester Bridge was written by Dash in 1886. It is about Michael Henchard, a successful grain merchant. A. Leo Tolstoy, B. Charles Dickens, C. Donald Farfrae, or D. Thomas Hardy. The correct answer is option D, Thomas Hardy. The next question is, by the 19th century, images of Dash reading silently in the privacy of the room became common in European paintings. A. Woman, B. Men, C. Aristocrats, or D. Monarchs. The correct answer is option A, woman. The next question is, Rudyard Kipling wrote the famous book titled Dash in 1894. A. Jane Eyre, B. Pride and Prejudice, C. Jungle Book, or D. Treasure Island. The correct answer is option C, Jungle Book. The next question is, Dash historical adventure novels for boys were also widely popular during the height of the British Empire. A. R.L. Stevenson's, B. Rudyard Kipling's, C. Helen Hunt Jackson's, or D. G.A. Henty's. The correct answer is option D, G.A. Henty's. The next question is, the earliest novel in Marathi was Baba Padmanji's Yamuna Prayatan, which used a simple style of storytelling to speak about the plight of Dash. A. Unemployed men, B. Orphans, C. Laborers, or D. Widows. The correct answer is option D, widows. The next question is, Chandu Menon wrote a delightful novel called Indulekha, published in 1889, which was the first modern novel in Dash. A. Malayalam, B. Tamil, C. Telugu, or D. Bengali. The correct answer is option A, Malayalam. The next question is, Kandukuri Veerselangam wrote an original Dash novel called Raja Sekhara Karitamu in 1878. A. Tamil, B. Marathi, C. Telugu, or D. Karnataka. The correct answer is option C, Telugu. The next question is, Durgesh Nandini was the first novel written by A. Sarat Chandra Chattopadhyay, B. Premchand, C. Rabindranath Tagore, or D. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. The correct answer is option D, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay.
Like, share and subscribe our channel.